drop my truck off and took my keys on the bed. Man, I don't give a fuck about none of that. She played it like that. No, y'all let her play that shit. And what's up? Man, bye. No, you try to act all that. Quit playing like that. You would not like that. I don't give a fuck about none of that. You like that, bitch. You not like that. You give a fuck about none of that. And she don't. On my kids, she don't. On my mama, on Blue Cross game, she don't. She can stay her. You can stay her. You can stay her. But all that you, how you was talking to me, she can stay her with y'all. Man, I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Get in the car, please.
I'm from why man, I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Can you get in the car and stop doing this?
You stop answering my phone call. She can stay here with y'all. Me neither. You can stay here with them. Man, it don't matter. It don't matter. Who came to pick her up? Y'all came to pick her up, y'all.
Nobody up.
Who picked her up?
I don't know who picked her up.
Oh.